Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Running Python scripts from the terminal can be a convenient and efficient way to execute your code. In this tutorial, we'll explore the process of running Python files in the terminal, and we'll also cover a useful shortcut to streamline the execution. Before we start, make sure you have a terminal or command prompt open on your system. You can find it in the Applications folder on Mac OS, or by searching for Command Prompt or Terminal on Windows. Navigate to the directory where your Python script is located using the cd command. For example, replace path /to /your /script /directory with the actual path to your Python script. To run a Python script, use the Python command followed by the script's file name. For example, replace script.py with the actual name of your Python script. If your system defaults to Python 2.x, you might need to use Python 3 instead of Python. To create a shortcut for running Python files in the terminal, you can add an alias to your shell configuration file, example.bashrc or .zshrc. Open the configuration file using a text editor. For example, add the following line at the end of the file. This creates an alias named py that is equivalent to Python 3. You can choose any alias you prefer. Save and exit the text editor. Then, restart your terminal or run the following command. Now, instead of typing Python 3 script.py, you can use your shortcut. Replace script.py with the actual name of your Python script. Congratulations! You've learned how to run Python files in the terminal and created a shortcut for a smoother experience. This can save you time and make your workflow more efficient, especially when working with multiple Python scripts. ChatGPT